Yes, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you are now watching another episode of my reaction for today. So for today guys, I still have a lot of recommendation, especially on Bini. So I think I'm going to watch it today. I was actually recommended to watch their funny moments. This is quite long, so I think I'm still gonna divide it into parts. Yeah, this is Bini Core, Funny Moments and Bardagulan from Harold Patrick Mercado. Okay, so I'm so excited about it, guys. Let's go.
Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing.
That's Maloy, right? that's that's Aya over there. The or yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! Wala! Eto!
Okay. They're expecting a filter actually.
Sana makapasa kami sa lahat ng subjects namin.
That's in Showtime.
Salamin, salamin sa dingding. Sana dumami ang pera namin.
Ay, pili yun!
Practical.
Salamin sa dingding, ang mundo ko'y nagniningning at nagluluningning.
Oh,
Naisip ko lang.
that's a very nice poetry. Funny. Okay. So that's yet an introduction. That's so funny. Mika dancing to woman. Sheena and Colette introduced.
Pakita mo lang dimple mo, bebe.
Hala, naglalag na sa akin. Okay.
Cute ni siya.
Vision.
Mature.
Mga vision ka ba?
Pilipino, sila, ano eh.
Vision.
It's like, you know, in a classroom, then you are asked to recite something.
Hanggang vision ka lang.
Seryoso nga ako.
Go.
Anong role ko dito?
Ano yung ano tayo sa akin?
75 na grade mo niya.
Student leader. Okay. A vision. A community living in freedom and fullness of being fully reconciled with self, others. Ano sabi mo?
She's so cute.
Okay. Vision po yun ng school po na po, FYI. And, ayun, I'm Sheena May Katakutan. Mostly known for Sheena. I'm the student council here. I make sure. Thank you.
Wala. Saan yung mission mo? Where's the mission?
Okay.
Wait, teka, naiiyak pa si Mika.
They're tasked to give their vision and mission.
Si Mika, nakakiclose up po si Mika. Di mo iiyak na siya.
Kailangan ko mag-shake.
It's like actually they're campaigning for something, for a student council.
Sino ka dyan? Do you hate me?
Or, pwede ba? Mas mainit pa sa araw. Pag siya'y tumingin sa'yo, ikaw ay matutunan.
Pero paano kayo matatapat?
R.I.P. Chair.
Run.
Joanna versus Stacy.
At yun namumutla.
What's that? Lemon?
na naman to, marami na naman tayong kakainin.
Orange. Bini version.
Alam nyo, K-pop po, good pawis sa minalay ng mga idols. Training sa umaga,
Ooh.
sa gabi.
Ooh.
Talagang walang kapagulan ng training.
Ooh.
Ginagawa to ng lahat ng idols para sa mga
Actually, Joanna is so serious about it, and the other girls are not. That's cool. Fake laugh. It turns into a real laugh. They're just laughing for something. Nothing. For nothing. Dubai incident. Ooh.
Pag tayo na Dubai.
Flashback.
That was Dubai. What? Desert. Ooh, what's that?
Kami nahulog kami!
Stacy and Joanna's crazy laugh.
Next level by Espa.
Next level by aespa. The laugh is so contagious. Bini has animal sounds.
So, for round 2, count 1 to 8 habang gumagawa ng animal sound. Bawal umulit. Umulit ang sound.
Anong sound ng panda? Hindi. Habang wait lang, magsasearch na ako ng panda.
Ganun? Gawa ka ng... Meow! Ganun. Ako naman ha. First na lang ako.
Teka lang.
Animal sound. Ate Jo, puti kita sound na silent na lang. At the same time nga, paano yan?
May sound pala yung panda.
Sabi ko na. Bigyan kayo ang bilis. Ako na 1. Ay! Sige, 5, 6.
Ano yung parang, what?
Number muna.
I love Aya, you know, she always laughs even in a little joke.
Okay. 3 round.
What's that?
Oh, 5 na 5. 6. Hindi, may 5 pa. Meron na. Okay, go. 7. Tawa na tayo. Kalaro pala tayo. Yung manyareserve pa naman ako. Ay, yung hype na gasatak. Takit.
That's a parrot. When Malay almost curves.
Anong gagawin natin, Jo? Papakita ko to. Ay, ga. Ang ganda.
What a nice diversion.
Muntik na naman ako doon.
Bunso and leader moment.
Charot lang, joke lang,
Oh.
Hindi yan.
Cute.
Kasi na-delete ko po yung file kasi akala ko hindi na ipopost yun. So, inulit namin, pero hindi na natuloy.
Isabaw mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing. Di ba?
Huy! Grabe naman to makatao.
The eurification.
Do you like girls? Yeah. Girls' generation.
Ooh. She likes SNSD.
Generation.
Bini being crackheads.
Magpado.
Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Ah. That's a nice experience. Ooh. It takes a lot of balance, you know, and it's so scary, of course. Dancer is king. That's so fun. Where is it?
Ayaw ka tuloy.
Wow, like that.
Natapakan po siya.
What is that? Cramps?
Sa
That's so
lahat ng rides
painful.
namin, ini-enjoy ko lang talaga yung view. Sobrang ganda ng view talaga.
Wow.
So kapag nakatingin ako sa nature, nawawala na yung kaba ko. Kaya nakakanaman talaga. Like,
Here comes a photo bomber. That's part 1. Okay. Binicor, Biniaya, Joanne, and Benoy.
Sa kanin, ang ihi ng kambing.
sige, magsabon na ba kayo dyan?
What are they doing? Wow.
Ano sabi mo, I like it, pero I need a little more. Di ko matindinay na.
Oh, they're also doing that game. It's Whisper, right?
Ano po po yung nirarap ni Ate Aya nung isang araw po? Hanggang ngayon buhay pa rin po siya.
That's cool.
2, 3, mabuhay. Hi. Ayan.
This Jose is a national hero at alumnus din ng UST. Sinong Jose?
Jose, Taco Rizal. Don't break me.
Anong prutas ang hindi na mamamatay? It's avocado de lisa.
That's a very cool. Shot. That's very Bisaya. Tagay is shot.
Kunwari kinakain ng mangga. Share ka naman. Ang sarap naman. Mali. Wow, that's alright.
Hindi tayo mabubuhay kapag wala ganyan.
Ilabas ang helicopter. G, tawagan mo na yung helicopter. Baka ma-traffic tayo sa area.
Tamad kang mali.
What? That was during the pandemic. Like we're wearing face shield. It's the thing that's so nostalgic, but you won't want that to to be remembered because that's the era of being in tragic, Kondol. Medyo golden brown lang natin siya.
Alam niyo ba yung golden arrow?
Chapel siya na merong hawakan mo si Lord.
Oo.
Hawakan mo yung poon, ganyan. Hawakan mo si Lord.
May gulay. Putaneska. Putaneska. Lava, not affair. Lava, not affair. Punta na!
Natapakan si Joanna.
They're really like typical girls, like ordinary girls. Skating. That's crazy. Whoa.
Tingin nga ng cookie mo. Oo, tingnan mo yung cookie ko may mani. Uy, manina yan. Pakagat naman ng cookie. Yung may malaking mali o yung may maliit na mali? Yung mali.
Gudong yan, te. Uy, ang bargas naman, oh. Pagka-bargas naman.
Kanina ko pa ito nakuha. Ano ba, Joanna? Hindi pa may ana, gawin mo pa.
Oh, they're like practicing for Miss Universe.
I can't believe a Beanie member. Oh my God.
They're so noisy, you know. They have their own individual craziness, noisiness.
Hawak, hawak. Hawak kamay. Hawak kamay.
Ooh.
Mabuhay ang mga Batanggenya!
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna cut it here. This is part 1. So I'm just gonna continue the video in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.